Gerd Binnig. Gerd Binnig is famous physician and inventor and known for the microscopic field of science for scanning tunneling. He worked as an engineer in the IBM company as his first company and later on joins the research group. He is also a Nobel Prize winner for the year of 1986 in physics inventions. Apart from his invention, he also loves to play golf while also a good swimmer. In his working, he won number of prizes which counts for his achievement in the field of German physician prizes. He founded an enterprise in the year 2000, which is now a company as well as institution that uses defensive technology and focuses on the areas of life science. This is important because technology demands the discovery as well as development in the processes of earth science. His technology enables the image classification with more clarification and high speed in the analysis technology for accurate values. Gertrude Bell Elion, an American biochemist and pharmacologist, receiver of the 1988 Nobel Prize in Physiology. Gertrude Bell Elion has made noteworthy contributions to the medical world. Her involvement in cancer research was due to the death of her grandfather to cancer. Along with the research for cancer drugs, she has also been involved in the innovations for drug that would fight herpes and AIDS. She invented the drug that was regarded to be the first treatment for leukemia, named 6-mercaptopurine, in the year 1954. Another major drug that she developed was Imuran, that would assist the body while it accepts new organs during transplantation. She has developed a total of 45 drugs to fight against various diseases, which include malaria, meningitis, and bacterial infections. Even after her retirement in 1983, she supervised the making of the drug azithromycin that would treat AIDS. Indeed, she was a true hero for the medical world. Gregor Johann Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel was a scientist from Austria who achieved the title of being the founder of genetic science. Mendel propagated that there is a particular kind of pattern that is followed by the pea plants by which they get their inherent characteristics. Later, this theory came to be known as the laws of Mendelian inheritance. It was not before the 20th century that Mendel's work was given its due recognition. It was only after the 20th century that the Mendelian inheritance laws were rediscovered and worked upon, thus forming the foundation of modern genetic science. Mendel was greatly inspired by two of his professors at the University of Olomouc, as well as his monastery colleagues, which drove him to further scrutinize the variation that is seen in plants. His experiments were conducted on the monastery grounds in an experimental garden. Mendel's theory finally took shape after he cultivated around 29,000 pea plants. Hargobind Khurana. Hargobind Khurana was an Indian by birth and an American by domicile. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Medicine with two others in 1968. He was born in Raipur, Punjab. He did his MSc in chemistry from Punjab University and got a doctorate in the subject from Cambridge, where he worked on nucleotides with Dr. Alexander Todd, a Nobel laureate. Thereafter, he carried on his researches into biochemistry at various places in Canada and the USA. The pioneering work he did in deciphering the genetic code and later creating an artificial gene was widely applauded. He was the director of the Institute of Enzyme Research, Wisconsin. He is married to a Swiss wife and has two daughters. He won many awards and honors for his achievements, including Padma Vibhushan. He was also a member of the National Academy of Sciences, USA. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.